Hey guys, Jeff Marples, Monday morning GPK Luxury Real Estate up on Nob Hill. Wanted to talk to you real quick about transfer fees. Now it's actually a transfer tax, right? Because the government's taking the money. But realistically, in a resale environment, if it's an old unit, old building, and you're selling it, the seller is to pay the transfer fees. And there's an incremental way to calculate that, and I'll touch base on that in a sec. And then the buyer pays for the escrow and title. But in new construction, buyer pays for all. So buyer's going to pay the transfer tax, title, and escrow. And so remember, with new construction, that's also one of the reasons why I'm always trying to nail down that number. I'm also including, seller pays the transfer tax, because the reality is the developer is just looking at their bottom line and to say, okay, well, however that works out, that's fine, because they're just looking at the lower number, right? Now, transfer tax is going to scale up. Now, the numbers that we really work with in California, in San Francisco, typically are going to be below $1 million, above $1 million. And the calculation for transfer tax is going to be shown below in this email, but when you, in the blog rather, but when you have under $1 million, $750,000, whatever, that amount is paid by $6.80 per thousand. Now, when you scale up from $1 million to $5 million, it's going to be $7.50 per thousand. So say at $1 million, $1.01, it's going to be $7,500, right? I mean, so, you scale it up. When you get above that $5 million, there's a $5 to a $10 million break, and then there's a $10 to a $25 million break, and then so. So if you're at those numbers, say above $5 million to 10, you're looking at $22.50 per thousand. So just know that there's a bigger bump up. Most likely, most of the people in San Francisco are going to be at $7.50, and that's sort of the magic number that you want to know about. Okay, guys? So I hope that information in the blog here, the video below, or on my website, you're going to see what the actual scale is. And I hope this information has been helpful for you. You have a good day.